jungle whispers through the trees, a slow coil of movement in the underbrush. A presence ancient, watching, eyes gleam beneath the canopy, waiting. In the stillness, the world holds its breath as I step into the heart of shadows. The ground shudders beneath me, the silent power beneath the earth's skin. I challenge the python, the weight of it curled around my soul. Python, you've been here longer than time. I stand before you, unafraid. Python's domain, there is no escape, only the pulse of survival. The struggle to breathe in a world so vast, where I am small and it is everything. I walk away, knowing the challenge remains, but I carry the mark of its strength with me. Python, the test of courage, I have faced it and I still stand. I challenge the python, the weight of it curled around my soul. Python, you've been here longer than time. I stand before you. I challenge the python, the weight of it curled around my soul. Python, you've been here longer than time. I stand before you, unafraid.